filters I don't like. They're the thick ones. I don't know about that one. Checking the electrical wire to see if there's a heater limit. This is the blue one goes to the fans. This red one goes to the heaters, which is this wire, and then back to neutral. So this one is the neutral, this white one. So there's nothing, looks like it's a bad heater. It's getting 120. So I have to order that. I guess I'm at the de-icer for him. So now the controller's flashing F1. We'll go here, F1. Indicates a bad sensor. Time to get the back. This side. Got all that. Now time to get the back. That's the filter. So we're letting the de-ice the rest on with the fan. Make sure everything's done. You're gonna have to order that heater and sensors, and we'll be back. Watch it pull down temperature right now. Might have to order the controller.